Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine. Do this now. Once done, wait about 30 seconds to let capacitors discharge, then ground yourself to prevent static shocks. You should open the case and visually locate the system fan or fans. Check the connector. A 3-pin versus 4-pin tells you if PWM control is used. Inspect for obvious obstructions like cables or dust bunnies. Remove any debris gently, and keep the fan accessible for the next steps. Now test and clean the fan carefully. First, hold the fan blade to prevent overspin when using compressed air. Use short bursts to blow dust out. Once cleaned, reconnect power briefly to see if the fan spins, but be ready to stop it. Next, swap the fan to a different fan header. This isolates whether the fan or the motherboard header is failing. Also, manually spin the blades with your finger. If you feel resistance or hear grinding, the bearing is likely worn and the fan needs replacement. If replacement is needed, choose a fan that matches size, RPM, and connector type. This ensures proper airflow and compatibility. Install the new fan securely with screws or anti-vibration mounts, then reconnect the header to the correct system fan header. Once done, restore power and boot into BIOS, or use monitoring software to confirm RPM and temperature readings. Make sure to check for abnormal noise or wobble. If the fan still fails to spin, try a known good fan to confirm the motherboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.